start to finish in under an hour. Coconut rice bowls with mango chicken. Chicken thighs. It's what's for dinner. Sometimes they require a trim. In this case, we're going to cut these into small bite-sized pieces, like that. This is supposed to be easy to eat, no knife required. We got to put big flavor in this quick. This is a weeknight meal. Garlic, freshly grated. That's where it all starts. Cumin and paprika will be supporting actors. And tomato bouillon is like a boost of tomato flavor with salt. Baking soda helps quick marinades work. Cornstarch is going to start that crispy coating. And a little bit of rum is going to help that marinade work quickly. Take a minute to work this in, go get changed, come back, and we're going to put the rice on. Calrose rice, but you have to wash it first. Basmati will work too. You could use an Instapot or a rice cooker like us and start with coconut oil. Add your rinsed rice. Instapot rice is always 1-to-1 ratio, hence the rubber band. But I got to take 6 ounces out because I'm going to add 6 ounces of coconut milk to boost that coconut flavor. Add a bay leaf, a couple of kaffir lime leaves, of course salt, and shredded coconut for that triple threat coconut flavor. Turn your rice on and put that chicken on. Spread it out in an even layer and let it go. And while that's going, we can start prepping our mangoes. We're looking for big cubes in this salad. We need some big chunks of red onion. Add that to a bowl and scoop out your mango. That already looks good. Now all we got to do is get color on all sides. Oh yeah. And to finish that rice, lime zest and cilantro. Now the idea is to add the warm chicken to the mango and let it heat that all up. That lime you zested, don't let it go to waste. And that's how you make a tropical rice bowl. Jalapeno and a little shaved coconut. Why not?
What that mango brings to this is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. Oh my God. Sweet, savory, and fresh, and coconut.
It's got a little island flavor.
Exotic garden rice bowl. I f***ing love it.
I know you love this.
All these flavors party so well together.
Easy, and I feel like I'm in the tropics on a Tuesday night.
Wow. That rice, though, alone,